handling. So what is a file? A file is a container in computer storage used to store data permanently. It is a secondary storage, and files can store text, images, videos, or any type of data. In Python, file handling allows you to read and write to files. So files are accessed using built-in open function. Types of files are text files and binary files. Text files end with .txt or CSV, etc., and binary files usually end with .exe, etc. And so how do we open these files? You can open these files using the open function with the two arguments, file name and mode. There are different modes to open a file. You can open them in read, write, append, and R plus is for read and write, W plus for write and read, append, etc. A plus is also available. So and always remember to close files after you are done dealing with them using the close statement, or you can even use the with statement. So next, how do we read files? You can read files by using the read method or read line method. Read lines method use loops to iterate through lines, and you can always check for this file existence before reading. So what does read do? Read reads the entire file, and the read line only reads one line, whereas read lines reads all the lines into a list. Then how do we write and append in a file? So you can use the write method and write lines method. The write method writes a single string to a file, whereas write lines writes a list of strings. So append mode adds new data at the end of the file without deleting existing data. You can open the file with an append mode, that is, in quotations you have to use small a. Then you can also use with open as F syntax to handle size files safely. So let us try to understand this with an example here. So in VS Code, I have my files.py and two text files. One sample file which contains this text known as hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and another text.txt which doesn't have anything stored inside it. So let me try to copy the content inside this sample.txt into my text.txt. So how do we do it? We can open a file in different ways. I am using the open function right now. You can also open it by using with, which is a safe way to open. Here I am using this way. So sample.txt, and you can, by default it takes the read mode. Even if you mention read mode or do not mention a read mode, it doesn't really matter, so I'm not mentioning it right now. And then I'm going to say, like, I'm going to store the values whatever it is reading, f dot read. Okay, so whatever it will read, it will get stored into the k. Then I'm closing this file. Okay, then again I am going to open this txt.file. Open this, we have to open it in what mode? Write mode. Okay, since we are going to copy the text from that sample.txt to text.txt, we are going to write in the text.txt. You need to open it write mode. Here I didn't use the read mode since it takes default as read mode. Okay, so now I am going to say f dot write this, whatever string is present in k. It contains only a single string, so I can use write, and then I am going to say f dot close. Okay, so I'm going to save this file. I'm going to run it. What did they do? So let me check. In sample.txt I have this hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Then in text.txt I got this hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is how you can use files, and I said there is another way to open a file, so it is by using the with statement. You can say with open, okay, sample.txt in read mode, which is by default as f. Okay, for this you need not mention this close statement. Okay, as long as it is in the if block, it will stay open, and as soon as you get out of the with this block, it will get closed. So let us try this. Okay, I'm going to remove this text.txt. I have cleared the text.txt content, and in sample.txt we have this again. So let us try running this, and I think it ran successfully. Yes. So in text.txt we got this, and sample.txt is as it is. So in this way also you can open a file, and that's it for today's video. Please, thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the Coding Arena.